Hey guys, welcome to the halftime show. It's Feb 5. Okay, so first week of Feb, pag-usapan natin yung mga winners and losers for the first 3 days of the week. Okay? So this is the halftime show. It's all about updating you guys kung ano nangyayari sa market. Okay? So ano yung mga gumalaw paakyat, ano yung mga nag-breakdown, bakit may news ba tungkol sa mga stocks na yon. So it's a channel to keep you guys updated sa current events na nangyayari sa market natin, okay? Um, it's not, the purpose nito is not to recommend any stock, but just to update you guys kung ano nangyayari, okay? So, let's get on to our charts, okay? Okay. First, we'll look at the PSE, okay? PSE is at, today, nagre-rebound siya, okay? We can see this rebounding all the way to 7,400, going back to that resistance. We use our moving averages as resistance, okay? So, we can see it rallying all the way back to 7,400. So, this might be a little bit of resistance, okay? So, let's talk about the big movers and winners. Okay, so here you can see when you use Instagrams, you have a win and lose column, and then you will see the gainers and losers for the day. Okay, um, as always, we will just discuss the ones that matter with volume. Okay, so stocks with the small volume, hindi na nagmamatter to. Okay, so we will not discuss it like itong IPO. Yan. Volume is 9,000. Diba, ganyan. So, wala na yan. Okay? Look at the chart. It's just dots. Okay, top gainer for today, we have Frutas. Okay? Frutas shake. Sarap. Okay, nakabili ako niyan around this area. 165 area. Boom. Should have added yesterday. Ganda ng chart. So, we can see this move. Pag ito yung resistance natin, itong mga 183, kung dito yun previous resistance niya dito, given na nagbenta na lahat ng naipit dito all the way down, this should serve as a new all-time high. But hindi naman counted siguro na all-time high pa siya because of this huge wick. Okay? So we'll just say that it's not in the 52-week high, but it's near that area. The 52-week high is at 240 something. Okay, ito 240 high, 245. Okay, the first day IPO niya. Okay, so yeah, so lakas ng Frutas kasi nagkaroon sila ng acquisition para may in-acquire silang dalawang chain of restaurants. They announced it here, ito dyan. Okay, so yun yung news. Okay, makikita natin sa news dito. If ever, makes 2 acquisitions 2 days ago. So it was here on 3rd of February. But regardless of the news, maganda pa rin yung chart niya dito sa area na to, okay? So we can see that 220-day MA support at 1.6. That's why I also bought it there. Putting my stop at 1.6, 1.58. That's why na-ride natin tong stock na to. Okay. Okay, so moving on. We have AXLM up 8% for today. Okay. So let's wait for it to load. Yan. Okay, so we see AXLM up 8%. Technical interest chart niya, it doesn't look too good now because it's below the 10, 20, and 50-day MA. So it's acting as a resistance. Last week, okay pa eh. So ngayon, I think it's gonna consolidate. So meaning, magkakaroon ng box here. Okay, sa range na to. So we'll just wait and see what happens. Macro Asia, top gainer, 7%. It went as high as 10%, all the way to 11.5, diba? So we can see volume picking up. nagkaroon ng news na magkakaroon sila ng dividends. So, it's, I think, 900 million worth bibigay sa Macro Asia. That's a parent company, but it's not announced if they will give it to the shareholders. But that's the news early this morning, so that's why maybe it surged. But also take note that Macro Asia for the year is already down 47% to the back to the low. So now it's poised to have a oversold rally. Now it's having a 30% rally from the low. Okay? So kung nabili mo siya sa low, up ka ng 30%. Kung nabenta mo sa high kanina. Okay? Okay, so if ever you bought this stock and you're wondering where you will sell it, maybe it's a good time to sell some here at 10.8, which you can see here, malinaw na malinaw that nagkaroon ng resistance sa 10-day MA. The secondary target will be the 20-day MA, which is at 12 pesos. And then the most bullish target will be here at the 50-day MA, which is at 15 bucks. So, yun. So, yun yung strategy mo if nakabili ka ng Macro Asia sa 10 below. So, take some profit off the table. Okay? Okay. SSP, this is a very, very volatile stock. Nag-ceiling dito 2 days ago, next day nag-pop, tapos ngayon bumalik. Okay, so it's a very, very volatile stock pa siya. So hindi ko kaya siya i-trade as much. So wala, I don't have any opinion here. So I'll just pass. Vol with 2 million volume, that's not so significant. Okay, Costco moving, oversold, so maybe there's news. 6% up. Ayala Logistics up also, oversold rally. Metrobank bouncing back. Boom, 3 days of down 13%. Now bouncing back, given our boomy bounce playbook. Huli natin to. So if you guys are wondering ano yung boomy bounce playbook, you can find that when you are a member of my premium website. The bounce playbook is very, very useful. So this is the one example of the bounce playbook. So marami ako kilalang nakahuli rin ito. Okay? So our immediate target will be this 10-day MA at 61.38. Okay? So around 61 pesos. Bullish target will be 63.4. Pinaka-optimistic 65.2. Okay, ACR 50 pa, wala. Aba, 18 million. This is a big, So you can see this. This is forming a consolidation here. Zoom natin. So as you can see, nag-drawing on ng ray. Yan. Okay, so ray here. One more ray here. Okay, so nag-break siya dito sa mga 10, 20-day MAs and then nag-break dito sa consolidation. So we want to look at this. Okay, so this is the price chasing the parabolic. So price chasing the parabolic means it's an immediate resistance na it has to pause 1 to 2 days here before next move. Okay, so we'll see. So sometimes it doesn't pause and it goes up directly. Take note also on Feb 22, the X date ng Bayon, which will be the cash dividend for the year. So there might be a dividend play here. Okay, so let's talk about the top losers of the day. AUB without any volume, bulok na bangko to, wala. This one no. This one no. MRC lying down. It did not hold above the 50-day MA. That's why bumababa na siya, okay? Web, top loser, top gainer in the other day. So, it's still intact. So, nagkaroon ng up, sobrang laking up dito. So, ngayon nagkakaroon ng profit taking. So, this is still on the list sa gusto nating charts, but it should have a smaller range para lang ma-consider natin siya para mas safe yung entry point natin. Okay? KPPI pumped last week. Pump. Boom. Pump. Pumped all the way to 34%, but then dump then balik sa below 10. So yan yung mga one hit wonder. Parang yung Apple last week, boom, pump, tapos dump. Pump sila, tapos dump. Okay? So from 80 all the way down. So pag bumili ka doon, tapos di mo kinat, you're down 20%. Okay? So that's why it's very, very useful to practice your cut loss price. Okay. What else moved? Tech moved nung Monday. So as you can see, this is one of the strongest stocks dito sa PSE. So now it went back down to the 20-day MA and then boom, went up 20% nung Monday. As you can, so now you can see a little profit taking or a little correction here going on here. What we expect this for this stock is to have short consolidation here around 8 to 13. That's a big range. Maybe consolidate dito muna, ganyan, chill. Tapos, boom, move higher. If ever it will move higher, okay? So, that's the expectation. So, you will be better off pag bumili ka malapit dito sa mga 8 peso area or 9, okay? So, currently, you're at the middle 10. Okay, upside mo is $3. Pinaka-high niyan, 13. Cut mo is 2. So, this is 2. Risk mo is $2. Reward mo is 3. So, parang almost 1:1. So, we're in the middle of the consolidation here. So, if you want to buy this, you can put your stop here at 9.55 for a tight cut. But if you want a wider cut, you can put your cut at 8 pesos. Okay? Okay, one last Sun. Sun, I like the chart. It's at 52-week high, doing this pattern here. So we'll just wait and see if this corrects. But the current support will be at 1.70. Okay, 117 support. So if you want to buy at 1.98, just to be safe, put your stop at 1.73. Okay. So mayroon din movers yung HLCM. Down, hindi pala natuloy yung franchise sila, yung San Miguel News, di ba? So hindi natuloy, so down, boom, down na. But as you can see, last year, gusto ko na promote ko to kasi gusto ko yung chart niya consolidating here, 1350 area. But when it broke down that 1350 area, you can see it go down. So that's the use if alam mo na napababa na siya, namamatay na. Right? So wala na. Pepsi, there's a news na hindi natuloy yung tender offer, not granted. So I'm not sure what will happen after that. So right now it's just here in this sideways consolidation here. So there's no material news there. So Emperador, big volume but nothing's happening. So yeah. Okay, Bloom, we see it. This is a breakdown from the big consolidation here. It's a big breakdown. Okay, so this is a big breakdown here. So I'd stay away from this. It can bounce all the way to 950, but that's it. Gaming sector in general will be affected because of the coronavirus. Less tourists and the mga Chinese yung nag-drive ng casino business here in the Philippines, as you know. So less tourists, less revenues for Bloom. Okay, so That's the only listed casino that matters, so we'll just not talk about the other stuff. Uh, okay. Oh, so yeah. Um, I hope that helped. So we've talked about almost most of the movers for the week for the past 3 days. If you like the content, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next week, Wednesday again. For my premium members, I'll see you guys on Sunday. We'll talk about our stock picks. If you want to learn more about the Boomi Bounce playbook, you can also email me at boomyuniversity@gmail.com. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. Good luck for the next 2 trading days of the week. I hope we make more money. Thank you. Bye.